Hi everyone, as you can see today we're at another house. Today we're at 4211 Treetops Circle. As you can see, this is a beautiful neighborhood. Very quiet. Alright, let's take a look inside. This is a 3-bedroom home. This landscaping is gorgeous. I have the door open right now, but they have a gorgeous red door, as you can see. Alright, so as we head inside, first I'm going to take you to our right. This is a dining room. You could make it a sitting room if you wanted to. Paneling is gorgeous. You may have saw there was 2 doors on the front. So if you were to go through this door, you'd have your washer and dryer set up right here. Obviously you have cabinets up top for storage. And there is a little mud room, coat hanging area with storage down at the bottom. And we do have bathroom number 1. Head over here, we go into our kitchen. Very nice countertops, all black appliances, including a black sink. The white cabinets are beautiful. We also have not 1, but 2 pantries. Very good size, lots of storage, and like I said, again, we have 2 of these. We also have this kitchen nook area. Very cute, very fun. And that'll bring us into our living room. This fireplace is gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous. I love this stone look. All right, and let's head outside real quick. Okay, we have this screen door too. And once again, super quiet back here. This deck is gorgeous. Your backyard is fenced in. Lots of shade back here in the afternoon. And once again, very quiet. So let's head back inside. So now that we've made it through the bottom floor, we're gonna wrap back around to the front door and we're gonna head upstairs. On the second floor, we have 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. So up the stairs to the right, we have bedroom number 1. All of these rooms have large closets, and this bedroom in particular has this really cool bonus room. You could make it anything, maybe an office, maybe a playroom, whatever you would like. And then we have another bathroom. This is bathroom number 2. Double sink, lots of room. And then we have the master bedroom. So spacious, so beautiful. These carpets are gorgeous. Again, we have a massive closet. Wish I had a closet like that. And then we have a double sink bathroom. The shower and the toilet are private. And then we also have a bathtub right here for everyone. And let's head into our 3rd and final bedroom. This is number 3, guys. Once again, big closets. And that's it. Again, go to Flagship Property Management. You can check us out on Facebook, or you can go to flagshipreNtalproperties.com for more of our houses. Thanks, guys. Have a good one.